Asante. Amjambo. I'm Wanjiru wa waya. I'm a githi artist. Nindi ndaugire ni kwanyitanire. Na nikio ndi guku nigetha twire His Excellency ni kwanyitanire kuma tutiga DJ.
Daddy, twenda gukugeithia mukwendia gikuria murene twana twaku mukwendia gikuria murene twana twaku tondu kuma wathie ni kwanyitanire guothe ina watu bros sasa mwato keria kido kujitana uigu amate yawe bigete siana siaku ogathi kurera senawe otasiarete isiaku ikiria thina uigu agathomi ukinoka na masukwa na hindi yondu sena siaku irire kitondu kuma wathie ni kwanyitanire guothe Uhuru tumisaga ithako twathakaga nawe ona kunogete Uhuru ukanogoka itwina twana twitu tondu kuma wathie Uhuru ni kwanyitanire guothe Joy wa Macharia salimia Simon John Shenlaka maitogwa musiari ndigimuna guoko nibyo tuikagiria kindu kwanyitana ikaya murathime atwiraga tuoe muthi umogacenjia utuire na mwihoko muthi umogacenjia tondu kuma wathie Uhuru ni kwanyitanire guothe Paulo wa KWFC keithia migunda wa mama koro kwanoteka Uhuru twendo coke itukumisaga nigene tukwendete coka tuna mucie ona korwo tinie ligwo ni tha cia ciana ona korwo tinie ligwo ni tha cia ciana tondu kuma wathie Uhuru ni kwanyitanire
Aya, boss, geithia andu. Ni ora maigua. Ugwikira. Hello.
Hamjambo nyote, mko poa?
Kopoa.
Asante sana. Mimi nawashukuru sana. Nimesema asante. Happy birthday. Thank you kwa kutukumbuka. Shukrani sana. Mungu awabariki, Mungu awalinde na bado tuko pamoja.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Winnie. Happy birthday
to you. Sawa. Nimoko ni nabia ciakwa. Nimeko ni na bundles.
And God bless you.
Akoria, weko, 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 Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. All right, we can have we continue. We have another presentation going on.
Yes,
twana twakwa ni twana twatira ni turamisi dadi twenda gukugeithia mukwendia gikuria mureni twana twaku mukwendia gikuria mureni twana twaku tondu kuma wathie nikwanyitanire DJ nikwanyitanire buothe. Asante sana.
Makofi Wanjiru WA, makofi. Ladies and gentlemen, our next presentation is by Hope Wamboi Ochieng, a beloved of his.
Hi everyone. My name is Hope Wamboi Ochieng. I'm 12 years old from Peace Junior School, and my presentation for today is about celebrating the 4th President of Kenya. Welcome. Happy birthday to the son of Jomo, the 4th President of Kenya. And today, allow me to celebrate, allow me to testify. It has been 4 years of non-stop thanksgiving to God after you held me in your arms as one of your own to see I attend school without being sent home for lack of school fees. To make the story more juicy, 4 years of a peaceful night with a roof over my head, without fear of paa linalonyesha, wala ukuta unaoyumbayumba, na kuhofia maisha yangu kama mtoto wa kitongoji duni cha Kibera. And this kept my hope alive and made my dreams so real. Happy birthday to the son of Jomo for being my summer when all seemed winter. Your love, care, and kindness has made this birthday in my life a day to acknowledge that you are a heart so true, and I wish you nothing but a life that will give you 1,000 reasons to say glory to God for touching a life in the innermost of Kibera and shining light of hope that our dreams are valid despite our backgrounds. Long live the 4th President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta. I Hope Wamboi Ochieng, I salute you. Thank you.